The Rebound Dual has tool-free range of motion adjustments. The device has 0-degree extension stops attached to the hinges. If needed, the range of motion can be adjusted using the extension and flexion stop kits. Remove condyle pads. Lift and turn the tab 90 degrees. Remove the existing stop by pulling on the lower edge of the installed stop. Insert the desired flexion or extension stop with the number facing the opposite direction of the leg. Return the tab to the initial position and press downward to lock in place. Follow the same procedure to change any additional stops and repeat on the opposite hinge.